Hi, this is Jason Hull with Hull Financial Planning, and welcome to today's episode of the Hull Financial Planning Personal Finance Frequently Asked Questions series. Today's question: why should I pay off my credit card in full each month when I can just pay the minimum balance? I'll answer your question with questions of my own. Do you enjoy giving the bank more money than you need to? Do you think that the bank deserves more money than you do? If the answer to these questions is yes, then by all means carry a balance. Let me explain this a little more. If you pay off the balance each month, then you don't have to pay interest. The bank provides you with a minimum balance to stretch out your debt as long as possible and to maximize the amount of interest that they can make from you. Also, if you carry a balance, that's a bespoke amount of money that you have to account for every month. Each month, you know that you're going to have to make payments on your credit card debt. Instead, if you pay off the credit card debt, just pay it off. That frees up your future income for you to be able to save, invest, give, and spend on yourself. Credit cards take advantage of your monkey brain. You get the pleasure in the present, buying something now which you can't afford rather than saving up for it. And in exchange, you commit your future self to the pain of having to pay it back. It's the same reason that we join the gym and pay memberships, but never go. It's easy to commit our future selves to something than to commit right now. So not only is there a financial cost to this behavior, there's a psychological cost. If you have debt, then you know about the stress that having the debt causes you. It's because you've started a process that you haven't completed. This is called the Zeigarnik effect. So what do I mean by this? You've borrowed the money, but you've not paid it back, so your subconscious views this as an incomplete process. Have you ever been in the middle of a good book when someone calls you? It's hard to get your mind off that book, isn't it? Well, it's the same psychological piece that causes you stress when you have unpaid debt. The unpaid debt will rattle around in your brain and wake you up at inopportune times in the middle of the night. Avoid stress, live happier, take control of your money, and pay off your credit cards.